Okay, we're in our final step. In order to print your presentation, click File, Print. And you are going to print handouts, 6 slides per page. And it does not need to be in color, black, and then click Print. Okay. To add a slide to your presentation, insert new slide, video. Click the little video picture and then look where your video is on your computer. And then click Insert. Okay, to turn in your presentation, click on Open Assignment. Then you're going to click Attach. Make sure to attach from your backpack or from your computer, or if you're using Google Drive. Matthew's Shark Experiment. Open. Make sure it finishes loading. I don't think it'll let you turn in the assignment without it. And then attach your video. In case it doesn't work in your PowerPoint. And then click Turn in Assignment, Turn in. Work has been submitted. You're ready to present.